Hey guys, it's Shane from English Understood here. I got a question the other day from a student who said, what's the difference between know, K-N-O-W, and now, N-O-W? So let's look at the pronunciation first. K-N-O-W is pronounced no. No. The K is silent and the W is silent. N-O-W is pronounced now. Now. N-ow. So what do these words mean? Well, know, K-N-O-W, means to have knowledge of something. For example, I know how to speak English. I have knowledge in my head about how to speak English. Now, N-O-W, is talking about the present time. So for example, it's 4:45 p.m. So I can say right now, in the present, it's 4:45 p.m. Okay, let's test what you hear. I will say a word and you can tell me what you heard. Now. N-O-W. No. K-N-O-W. No. K-N-O-W. Okay, I'm going to say some sentences with missing words, and I want you to fill in the missing word with no, K-N-O-W, or now, N-O-W. You want to speak English. You want to speak English. It should be I know you want to speak English because I have knowledge that you want to speak English. And the second one, this video is going to finish. This video is going to finish. It should be now because I'm talking about the present.